Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Alpharetta, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are helping you decide between two big choices for your backyard in Alpharetta: a ground-level patio or a raised deck. If you are standing at your back door wondering which one actually fits your yard and budget better, this episode is meant to give you a clear, simple way to think through it. Let's start with raised decks. A raised deck is usually the right fit when the back door of your home is well above the yard. Instead of stepping down a long run of stairs straight to the grass, a deck creates a level platform right outside that door. The structure uses posts, beams, and footings to carry the load and give you a solid surface for tables, chairs, and grills. In many Alpharetta neighborhoods, where homes sit on sloped lots, a deck may be the only practical way to get a flat outdoor living space at the main floor. The materials you use on a raised deck matter a lot because they see more weather exposure. Traditional wood can work well when you are willing to handle staining and sealing. Composite decking, including products from brands like Trex, can reduce maintenance and help your deck stay more consistent in color and texture over time. Either way, the structure under the surface has to be sized right, with proper footings, solid connections, and good drainage so water does not sit against the house or posts. Now let's look at ground-level patios. If your back door is closer to the yard, a patio can be a simple, durable way to build out your outdoor space. Patios are built on a base of compacted stone with pavers, concrete, or stone on top. When they are installed correctly with good preparation and drainage, they handle foot traffic and weather very well. They also pair nicely with outdoor kitchens, fire pits, and lower open layouts that blend right into the yard. In Alpharetta, one key with patios is dealing with water. You want the surface sloped just enough to move water away from the house without feeling like you are on a hill. If you skip base preparation or drainage details, the patio can settle unevenly or collect puddles over time. That is why even though patios might seem simple, they still require planning and skill to get right. So which one fits your yard and budget better? On flatter yards where the door is close to ground level, a patio can be a very cost-effective option. On sloped lots, by the time you add in retaining walls and fill to make room for a patio, the deck may actually be the more straightforward solution. A raised deck also gives you the option of using the space underneath for storage or even finishing it into a covered sitting area. In some elevated situations, homeowners choose to add waterproof systems, sometimes involving products like Tough Deck, to keep that lower area dry and usable in all kinds of weather. The best way to decide is to think about how you move in and out of your home today. Do you want a smooth transition from the kitchen or living room straight onto a level surface? That usually points toward a deck. Do you prefer being closer to the yard, gardens, and ground-level features like a fire pit? That might point toward a patio. If you are weighing these options and want help looking at the grade, drainage, and structure at your home, you can reach our team at 770-501-7337 or visit www.toughdeckbuildersalpharetta.com to learn more about how we design and build both decks and patios around Alpharetta. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Alpharetta. In our next episodes, we will talk about pergola basics and what you should know before adding shade to your deck or patio.